Okay, this is butt lift or bridge. Basically, you lie down on your back. Make sure you lift with your heels when you go up, and hold it for a second. Squeeze those glutes, and pretty much make sure you breathe out. Okay, so this is the movement. I'm going to be doing a set of 15 reps. All right. Alright, that's a good movement for your butt. Alright, be fit and live.